Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coach Fresh. Today I'll be showing you a website called Studypool that you can just get paid by answering simple questions. You don't need a degree for this, no experience at all. You just need a laptop and a smartphone. I will show you how to actually use this website. So to get started, all you need to do is actually click on the apply button here or the sign up button. So to get started, let me click on the sign up button. So from here, you can put your email, username, and password to log in. So what I want to do right now is I will log in and show you the home page from here. Follow this step-by-step process with me. Now, since you are here, remember you are going to get paid to just answer simple questions. So to get started, what are the ways you can actually earn from this website? Without even becoming a tutor, you can actually earn just by uploading documents. Now, this is the place you can click on sell documents here. To sell documents, let's click on it. So to sell documents, let's even assume you are a student. You don't even need to be a student. If you have any topic that you are very good at and you feel this topic will be interesting to people, you can just click on the sell documents, upload any document. It could be your study materials. Maybe you went to school and you've been taught how to maybe do something. It could be mathematics, it could be computer engineering, it could be programming, it could be anything at all, and you have the document. You can just tweak it a little and upload your documents here, and trust me, you can earn up to $10 just for students who view the document. So for them to even download and view the document, you will get paid. At this point, you don't even need to outrightly come out and start explaining to people. Just your document that you're uploading, you will get paid. So, and you can also click here to become a tutor. The tutor tab is a place whereby you can actually answer questions that you know very much of. So maybe students are usually being asked different questions. So these students who are unable to answer these questions, they say come to this website and drop this question, and you just bid for it. You can get paid as minimum of $10 to $20 for the end. So before you can become a tutor, you can check out the subjects you are good at here. Click on subjects. You can see business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, healthcare and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, foreign language. Now, under business, you can see Excel. So even if you know much about, if you have basic knowledge about Excel, you can actually use it to earn money here by answering questions that are related to Excel. So to get started, if you want to actually become a tutor, whereby you'll be able to answer questions that are being asked, you can bid for these questions and you can earn. And before then, coming to this place, you can see our top contributors. So look at it, our top earners. You can see somebody is already earning $76,750 here. This is the top earner. So you can be among these people just by registering, uploading documents, and becoming a tutor. So you click on become a tutor to sign up. So from here, you can put your first name, your last name, sign up your nationality. Here, you will need to be approved. You can't just click on become a tutor and start being a tutor. And make sure anything you're uploading is real. Don't copy anybody's. Don't just copy anything you see online and paste, because after here you go ahead and fill different options. So maybe in the next video, I will also drop a video now. You can easily sign up to become a tutor and get approved with ease. So I'll be dropping that video soon. So just in case you do not wish to apply to be a tutor, so you can also click on sell documents. And send documents, you can see said you can earn up to 5,000 USD a month just for actually sharing a document that people will download. And you can see they said they have tens of millions of students, and you can get up to $10 every time a student views one of the documents you upload. So you can actually earn money just by being on this website. Now let's go back to the home page. So after you've become a tutor and there are some questions maybe you are finding it difficult to answer, you can actually use ChatGPT. All you have to do is copy that same question that was asked on that place and paste it on ChatGPT, and you will get an accurate answer. All you have to do is actually tweak it a little to make it look natural so that you don't get to copy word for word. So to get paid, all you have to do is actually come to this menu and click on my balance. Remember, I just signed up on this website, and click on my balance. You can see 00. So to withdraw money, click on withdraw. They have different withdrawal option, which makes it very good for anybody to actually register. You can actually register from any country of your choice there. So you can actually withdraw money using PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, Western Union, bank deposits, check, and so on. So it's a website that accepts everybody, regardless of the country that you are. You can actually earn money just by answering these questions. So make it worthwhile. Do not let this information pass you by. Now, going back to the home page, you can see you can actually get paid to at least $10 just to even answer 3 questions a day. So let's assume you're able to answer just 3 questions. I even paid you $30 a day. You can calculate it by 5 days. You can do the math yourself. So in just 5 days, if you're earning $30 daily, you can earn over $150 just by signing up on this website. So once again, if you want to try Studypool, the link is below in the description. Hit the like button if this helped you and you discovered something new, and subscribe if you want more easy ways you can actually earn money online. I post new ideas almost every week, so see you on the next video. Thank you.